Good morning, University of Southeastern Philippines. And hello world, hello BTT students. And now we are here to interview some of the people in requirement to our Edu 12 career guidance and counseling. And we are here to interview. One is the student, the second one is the teacher, and the third is the HVAC field. And now I am Jude Michael Ungab.
I'm Jimmy Getigan.
I'm Robert John Salero.
And now I am the one to interview the student.
And I'm the one who interviewed the teacher.
And I am the one who interviewed the technician.
And now, let's come and watch the video.
Okay, good morning, Mark.
Good morning at the same time.
I will interview you. Number one question that may come about what aspect of your past, present jobs, or OJTs have been most challenging?
The most challenging na ang makuang na experience is building kay isang asa ra ka malocate at the same time you don't know or you don't di ka aware kung unsa imong mga ma-meet at the same time niya asa mo nakalocate so that was the most challenging OJT I have ever been.
Confident answer. Next question, Mark, is about what do you consider to be a strength of yours?
The strength of that I have been considering is being motivated by myself at the same time stand for what I have believed in. Kung sa magilang tama, dito jud ka mag-stick. So, believe in yourself lang yun.
Yes, what do you consider to be your weakness?
The weakness I have been know about myself or kung sa to may pala ang weakness na ako ang sarili is being pulled by negative people and at the same time once ako sarili bali kanang doubtness sa ako ang sarili kay kuan gid siya kanang i-cover jud niya tanang positiveness sa imong aso. In order for it to do it, na-put siya a solution at the same time.
Thank you, Mark, for your wonderful answers.
Good afternoon. My name is Jimmy Getigan. So this is a Edu 12 career guidance interview. So sir, why do folk chose their career?
Well, a lot of people choose careers depending on how they were raised and depending on the environment where they grew up.
So how about your skills, sir? Are required for this career?
Well, talking about skills, we have actually two types of skills na pwede ka i-employ. So that's hard skills and the other thing is soft skills. So in career development, I just learned that what hires an individual is their hard skills. So hard skills in this career, of course, are example, you know how to teach. You know what strategies, what techniques, what methods are you going to implement and engage in so that your students can cope up well with. And another skill is soft skills, that's attitude. What stays you in the working environment is your attitude.
You have those soft skills and hard skills. So how did you overcome those stereotypes in choosing your career?
Sa teaching, I have no problem with stereotyping. I think okay ra siya. Whether you're a male or a female, okay siya sa teaching. But when it comes to industry, you have to be man. Kung naman, kaya ay niya tayong not man enough na lalaki kayo. So that is, I think the reason nga nung di na ako prefer mag-work ko sa industry because of stereotyping.
Thank you, sir, for your time.
Thank you.
everyone. My name is Salero, and I'm here at the working area of Mr. Dalagres Gerasaga, and he is a technician. So, years na ay nagtrabaho Mr. Gerasaga. Unsa asa ka na trabaho, kaduha, katulo.
Paguman ako eskwela ay paguman ako graduate sa Agdaw, Indonela. Trabaho din ko Rumsan. Sa Rumsan, nagdugay ko dito mga 3 ka tuig. Paguman ako trabaho sa Rumsan, ibanin ko gamay kumpanya sa Master Pool. May isa ka tuig ko dito.
Sir, unsa ba ang mga step by step nga kailangan sa paglimpyo sa aircon? Unsa ba yung mga kailangan unahon bago siya maglimpyo sa aircon niya?
Yung aircon, ang unahon din ako yun. Kapuan, tanaw ng condition sa aircon. Di mo dyan ang iyon, kung under baudangan, nakay safety. Di mo sang iyon ang breaker. Tanaw ng breaker para wala kayo power supply. Kung anong step ni mo, tanaw di man wala na yung supply, okay na, ni-under na yung aircon, pagbuhan mo, now, ito pwede na ka mag-simple sa mga kwan, sa mga kabel sa mga aircon, buwan ng aircon mo. Kaupat, ang kumani mo kwan, limpyo, pwede mo tao ng mga kwan, mga kabel, balik mo ang aircon sa kwan, sa dati mong stock, pandaron mo.
Karon sir, kung saan yung advice sa ang mga viewers na technician code?
Sa mga technician di ano, kanang mag-graduate tayo na o kwan, advice na ko, kung mag-audit yung mga galing mo, kanang kuhan, nagkukumpanya para sa nangrumsan, tara, daghan yung gagmakuhan, makatanan diya.
Salamat kasi mong oras sa Mr. Darrell, no?